Vinit, you need again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, whenever you have any product, you need to showcase your product to the audience, and that showcasing is the awareness phase. But showcasing will not lead to sales. Showcasing will not lead to sales, because as you will explain all the benefits about that product, it will take the customer, and it will generate interest to buy that product. First you will do the awareness, and then customer will go from to the next stage of the interest. He will feel like, yes, yes, I should purchase this product. That is the interest. Finally, as he created the interest, he will think that no, 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 I must buy it. So that is the intent. Now he made his mind that I want to buy this product. That is the intent. Then from intent he will move to the consideration. Let's go and just buy the product. He considered, but still again he thought that let me evaluate with others, and therefore he compared that product with all other similar kind of product, and then he did the evaluation. Still he found that here I'm getting more benefits, and therefore he comes to the purchase stage. So as he purchases the product, he uses that product and he becomes very happy, because the benefits which he has got from this product are actually the best and what he is looking for. And therefore it creates the loyalty, and that leads to the retention of the customer. So next time, whenever he want this kind of service, he will go to that particular business. Is that clear, Vinit, now?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So start creating your own funnels before any execution. Just don't start digital marketing. I know digital marketing. So let's start. Like that you created one campaign. Like that you created one Facebook page. Like that you anything posted on social media. It is not going to work. Why you are doing? What's the sense of doing? This is just the waste of time. And many, around 90% people do waste of time because they don't understand marketing funnels. They do not work in background, and therefore their campaigns do not work. So start creating your own funnels before any execution. So execution is very important, but you first actually define the funnel and then strategize your marketing strategy. Funnels provide detailed understanding of aspect to attain the objective, and it's not so easy thing. So whenever you have, and that this is company is looking for. Why digital marketers are paid very high salaries? Why this is a trending career? Because you are helping company to achieve their goal with this clear understanding of marketing funnel. So marketing funnel is very, very and crucial thing while learning your digital marketing. Now see the here again that the same I have given the example of course. Let's have a look at one more example. Now this guy basically one day he thinks, now this is a traditional kind that he is searching, the customer is searching the product, and we will come from awareness stage to the loyalty phase. A SUVI, it depends on actually which type of product it is. So if it is a service, there you need different platform. If it is a product, you need different platform, and therefore digital marketing is very vast. And that's what you need to get clarity in the first session, that you cannot put your hands on all the stuffs of digital marketing and you can become master and you can earn so much of money. It will not happen. So I am going to give you clarity, and at the end of this today's session, you will get much of the clarity that how you should align your goal. So slowly and steadily, we will cover all the aspects. So let's have a look at this. Now, this is a traditional kind of the journey of the customer. So one day, one guy thinks that he want to purchase a watch. Now, how he will go? So he has got that need in the mind that I want to watch. And one fine day in traditional marketing, he found that there is one hoarding with the name Rolex. So he thought, let's now I want to buy a watch. So let's Have a look at this Rolex. So one fine day, he went to the Rolex showroom, and there one sales guy, he is helping him out that how this is the best quality, blah blah blah, what are the features. So now again we are coming from awareness to interest to intent to consideration, all the phases we are covering. Now see, he gets an idea and he showcases him 4 watches. Now this watch has this quality, this watch has this quality, and then customer starts evaluating the product. So this is the evaluation phase. After evaluating, he selects one watch and now he wants to purchase, but always Indian mindsets go into that way, they always want discounts. That is a human psychology, that all Indians will want discount, and even if they get little bit, they will be happy. Now this sales guy is very smart. So what he told, now you buy the watch at a particular price, but I will give you 20% voucher, which you can redeem next time. So now what he has did, he created that loyalty and retention. So first he created the loyalty by just respecting the customer's perspective of discount. So he respected customer perspective of discount and he offered him 20% voucher. That is the loyalty. And as he given that coupon, customer became happy, and on next purchase he will get 20% off. That is the retention. Again customer will come back to this Rolex showroom. Have you understood it? Is that clear? So how this work and how you need to think of, and you should curate one story around it, and therefore you will understand it in a better way. Are you finding it interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Yes, Premnath. Great, great students. So let's move further because I have to cover a lot of content.